playing the point.
This one goes number 1 in Sweden this year. He's 4 years old. And he has the highest point this year. They're going to be in a big competition in Stockholm in November with him. So it wouldn't be the worst in Sweden. Hopefully. I don't know, have you been up to Kåre? Yeah.
Yeah, very wide.
Really? They have the father
To the yeah.
Yes.
What are you looking for? Top line,
We connected on Facebook.
Yeah? Yeah, see, I recognize you.
Yeah, I thought you did. Yeah, I recognized you too. Yeah.
I can look at a horse and be like, I like the horse, but I don't know specific.
And this one I've been up to in Norway for 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah?
By him.
With him?
Yeah, I drive in 30 hours. I drive what would it be in kilometers? 1,000.
40 hours.
Yeah, 1,800 kilometers.
Oh yeah.
To buy it.
Stefan, explain to them the time system in our Swedish judging.
Okay, yes.
Like 43 points.
Okay, yeah, 44.
44?
44.
Be right, yeah.
Yeah, high is at 50, yes.
Yeah.
You know, the first you can maximal have is 5, and 10 is the maximum on each. And he have 10 on the first,
Which is the next.
and that's the whole horse.
Yeah.
He have 10. He is excellent for the North Swedish, and he have 9. That's for head, and here, and here, the deep in the horse.
Sure.
You have 9, and on his legs you have 9, and that's very special.
Yeah.
Because we just have 2 or 3 horses in Sweden who have 9, and
I wish it after
Yeah. Belly breathing.
yeah,
With legs.
yes, and then on
Beautiful legs.
when he when
He does, doesn't he?
The
Nice legs.
Yes, I have 7. Because just that day he
hasn't developed yet properly.
yes,
Yeah, I see.
yes, but on the last vad heter trav då? Trot, yeah.
Trot.
Yeah, he have 9
Yeah.
on the trot.
So, no, what is he 7 on? What do you say?
When he go.
Walk. On the
walk,
walk.
on the walk, yes.
Walk is 7, the trot is 9.
But he have a bad day.
Yeah.
So it should be like 8 or 9 on the walk too.
And the walk was that speed that brought him down?
No,
or-
it's like when he goes, you know, everything just, we can see.
Yeah. Form of movement or whatever.
How it moves.
Yeah.
You know, it should go like the whole horse should go. He don't know me so much. You know, when he hold back like a woman, you know. That's very good.
Yeah.